Hi there, welcome to Fordeer, and today I'm going to show you how to change the logo on your invoices using Fordeer PDF invoice generator. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. You can click the Customize Templates button from the dashboard or the Customization section in the navigation to go to the Templates Customization page. Here you can choose any document that you want to change the logo. In this video, I will take the invoice as an example for you to understand the process. Click on the Customize button and this interface will appear. You are 80% done at this point. After that, choose to change the image and upload your own logo here. It will take only few seconds to be done, and then you can adjust the size of the logo here. Click Save and you're done on 100%. Changing the logo in the invoice is really simple. With just a few clicks, you have a basic branded invoice. There's a lot more you can do to create a comprehensive branded invoice, which we will introduce in the next videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.